Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Slow English Conversations.
Hello, Alex. Hello, everyone. It's really nice to be here with you today.
It's great to have you here, Sarah, and thank you to all our listeners for joining us.
Today, we have a very common topic, a topic many English learners feel nervous about.
That's right. Today, we are talking about speaking on the phone in English.
Many people feel afraid. They feel shy. They worry about understanding and making mistakes.
And that's okay. Today, we will practice together, slowly, calmly.
Before we begin, if you enjoy learning English with us, please subscribe to the channel, share this video, and give it a like.
It really helps us. Thank you so much. Okay, Sarah, are you ready to make a phone call?
I feel a little nervous. My heart is beating fast. But yes, I'm ready to try.
That's very normal. Many people feel nervous before a phone call. Let's start with something simple, very simple.
When the phone rings, what do you usually say?
I usually say, hello?
Perfect. Hello is a great start. It is short, it is clear.
You can also say, hello, this is Sarah.
Yes, saying your name is helpful. It helps the other person know who is speaking.
Now, imagine this situation. You are calling someone. The phone connects. What can you say first?
I can say, hello, may I speak to Alex, please?
Very good. That sentence is polite, it sounds friendly, it sounds clear. You can say it slowly. May I speak to Alex, please?
Yes, speaking slowly helps me feel calm.
Exactly. Slow speech builds confidence. Now let's practice asking questions. Simple questions. Clear questions. Imagine this situation. You are on the phone. The other person answers.
Why are you calling?
I can say, I'm calling about my appointment.
Excellent. That sentence is very useful. You can use it for the doctor, you can use it for work.
You can also say, I have a question.
Yes, that sentence is short, it is easy to remember.
Short sentences are easier.
Yes, short sentences help me feel relaxed.
That's right. Simple English is strong English.
Now let's talk about understanding. Sometimes the other person speaks fast.
What if you don't understand them?
I can say, sorry, can you repeat that, please?
Very useful. That sentence is polite, and it is very common. You can also say, can you speak slowly, please?
Yes, that really helps English learners. It gives me more time to listen.
Exactly. And it is okay to ask. You are learning. Sometimes, when you are on the phone, the other person says, please hold.
Please hold means wait. It means stay on the line.
Yes, you do not need to hang up. You just wait. What can you say next?
I can say, okay, thank you.
Very polite, very natural. You can also say, sure, or no problem.
Yes, those are easy words to say.
While you are waiting, take a deep breath.
Breathe in and breathe out.
Relax your shoulders. It's okay to wait.
Yes, waiting gives me time to feel calm and ready.
Exactly. You are doing great. Now let's end the phone call. The conversation is finished. Before you say goodbye, what can you say?
I usually say, thank you for your help.
Perfect. That sentence is polite. It shows appreciation. You can also say, thank you very much.
Yes, that sounds kind and respectful.
You can also say, have a nice day.
I like that sentence. It sounds friendly.
Yes, It ends the call in a positive way. And after that, what do you say?
I say goodbye.
Simple, clear, friendly. You can speak slowly. There is no rush.
Yes, ending the call feels easier now.
Exactly. You did a great job.
Now, let's review some key phone phrases. Listen carefully. You can repeat after us.
Hello,
Hello,
this is Sarah.
this is Sarah.
May I speak to Alex, please?
May I speak to Alex, please?
I'm calling about my appointment.
I'm calling about my appointment.
I have a question.
I have a question.
Can you repeat that, please?
Can you repeat that, please?
Please hold.
Please hold.
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Great job. These phrases are very useful.
You can use them in many phone calls.
Practice them again and again.
The more you practice, the more confident you feel.
Remember, you do not need perfect English. It is okay to make mistakes.
Yes, mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake helps you improve.
Speak slowly. Take your time. Short sentences are easier.
Exactly. And don't be afraid. It is normal to feel nervous. Every time you try, you get better.
Yes, you are improving every day. Even small progress is good.
Be patient with yourself. Celebrate each step.
Remember, practice makes you stronger. Even one sentence a day helps.
Keep practicing. You are doing great.
That's all for today. We hope you enjoyed it.
Thank you for practicing phone English with us. It was fun to speak slowly together.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please subscribe to Slow English Conversations. This way, you won't miss our next video.
And leave a comment below. Tell us, are you afraid to speak on the phone, or what phrase helps you the most?
We love reading your comments. Your messages make us happy and help us make better lessons.
Until next time, keep practicing your English. Little by little, you will improve.
Take care of yourself. Keep speaking slowly.
Bye, everyone. Stay calm and confident.
Goodbye. See you in the next lesson.